Who wants to make some lemonade with some ginormous Ponderosa lemons? Well, bottoms up. That's good. This is Sandi at Suburban Homesteader, Wyoming, Arizona, and we are making lemonade from some of my ginormous, truly ginormous Ponderosa lemons. So this is my largest one. Last month it was 18 inches around, and when I picked it, it was 19 inches around. And so I took 3 of them off the tree, and I cut one in half, 6 inches across. Now, one of them was starting to grow, and it's going to make trees. So that big lemon, I got almost 2 cups of juice from just that one big lemon. And so I'm going to make up some lemonade with water, sugar, and lemon juice. And I threw it in the refrigerator, though I see a seed floating in my big jar. Here's my recipe. 1 cup of fresh lemon juice, 1 cup of water, and 3/4 cup of sugar. I'm saving the seeds, so I've been rinsing them off in a strainer, and now they're going to dry on a plate so I can give some away. Do you need some? For a really good, refreshing drink, there's nothing better than homemade lemonade. I hope you enjoyed this video. This is Sandi at Suburban Homesteader, Wyoming, Arizona, and I'll see you next time.